I'm back after a long time. Hope you are doing well. Hope you are okay with all sorts of environment we're going through. So, welcome to Creative Learners once again. Today we are going to speak about pronunciation, which is very important in our daily lives, which is the thing that we fear the most. We speak English in a wrong sense. There are various accents of speaking English. There are Australian accents, Indian accents, British accents, American accents, and we are just in the middle of it. We don't know what to speak and what not to speak. So let's begin with this session. Our session will include pronunciation accents. We the Indians often follow our accents, that is Indian accents, having a style of British accents a bit, but we the Indians speak English fluently, but we always correct our grammar. We have the correct grammar sense, which Americans never do. Okay, Americans speak fluently, and what they did, they speak with some wrong English, wrong grammatic sense. Their English is also English, our English is also English, and British English is also English. Now the fact is that their English, I mean American English, they never follow any grammatical rules, which we follow very seriously. So today I am going to speak about how your pronunciation should be when you are going to an interview and you are introducing yourself, which will be the last video of this session. I am going some other day, but today I'll focus only on pronunciation. Pronunciation is something that I myself pronounced it as pronunciation, which is very wrong. So I have also learned recently how it actually pronounced. It's pronounced, not as pronounced. Okay, we may write P-R-O-N-O-U-N, but that's not, the accents will be different. Okay, so there are many words in our daily to daily lives that we use. Those words, do you know those words we are using correctly? How will you know it? Who told you so? Maybe words like vegetable. We speak like vegetable, and it actually is pronounced as vegetables. It's veggies. And being grown-up child, being grown-up ladies and gentlemen, we don't know how to pronounce some words that we are using in our daily lives. So first word is vegetable, which we used as vegetable. Like, it's not English, right? It's something that we form ourselves. The Bengalis or the Hindis or the other regions, they told it like vegetable. It's not vegetable, it's rather vegetable. Now it's vegetable and we speak it as vegetable. Now table is not table actually, it's table. So these are the things we must know while we are speaking English. These are the things which will be marked when you are going to give you an interview. These are the things that will probably not allow you to crack some interview. Suppose you have passed some test and then you are like facing interview and you are telling like vegetable type of words. I will be giving more examples so that you may understand what I am just telling you. What is my main center that I am telling you to change. Suppose you have gone to an interview and you are facing in front of an interview and suddenly the interviewer asked, what's your habit? You tell, my habit is painting, or you tell it's playing football. Football is not football, it's football. Now the accents, where to give the accents, where not to give the accents, is very important when you are in the third stage of speaking English. I have begun my session by telling you repeatedly that you have to stand in front of a mirror and face yourself first, which is very important in our daily lives. Why? Because when you are facing ourselves, we know what are the facial expressions we are giving. If you are dumb, like you are nervous, then you will be like eh. For this, you have to remove this this sounds which affect the one who is listening to you. For that, I told you long before that you had to stand in front of a mirror and try to speak some little English that you wanted to speak louder. Now, when you are facing yourself, you must know that you are facing you and nobody is going to laugh. Whenever you laugh, the reflection will also laugh. That's very simple. So, when I am going to vocabulary part session, I told you then also, I have also made a presentation that have to stand in front of the mirror, because when I'll be coming to our upcoming session of pronunciation, then you will understand how to just speak out. So next word suppose is technology. Yes, we are all like technology is something we are all associated with these days. Without science and technology, we cannot do anything. I cannot also make videos, you cannot give interviews online, that's going on in this session. So, some students, let it be, some people, they pronounce technology as technology. Now this technology is syntax, but we have to speak like technology. Technology. The use of the tongue will be like technology, not technology. Technology is it will not sound good. It will like technology. Another thing. Now, during speaking, before like understanding this pronunciation part, I'll tell you to go through some phonetics part. Like if you type in Google and search for phonetics or phonemes, PHONEMES, like this, then you will see there is certain list of how to pronounce. Now that list is something like you will discover that what you have learned till today, the pronunciation part only, the phonemes part, the phonetics part, is something wrong. You need to start it again. So why late? Let's start. If I tell, like in interview, I scored it like it's interview, and the interviewer is telling you, so what are your plans? The interview never tells what are your plans. They will tell what are your plans. Note, not plans, it's plans. So you will tell, yes sir, I have thought of growing myself as a content writer. Content, not content. These are the things we should remember in our daily lives. So when you are again going for an interview, please make sure your words. One thing again, it's not words, it's words. Another thing, what are you doing? People will never going to ask you, what are you doing? It will be like, what are you doing? What? Instead of what. Right? So, these are the basic things we need to change in our daily lives. When we are speaking, like okay, then this what and what will do a great difference. If I tell, I am thinking if I were the president of India, it's not I were the president of India. Rather, it's if I were the president of India. It's were. W-E-R-E is pronounced as were rather than were. But we often speak it's were, but it's not were, it's were. So, correct it from today. So, this is what I was telling. It was my aim just to point out where we are wrong. We need to change it, otherwise people are going to laugh more. Like, you know what happens? Like, speaking wrong English is acceptable. Speaking wrong English is acceptable. But the pronunciation is not at all acceptable. If you pronounce some weirdest expression, then people will like look at you like this and they're like, why? Don't they know English? How to speak English? So these are the things which institutes also never look at when they have their spoken English course for 6 months and 1 year, or someone tell it like in 1 month. Spoken English Institute of 1 month. Now, spoken English is something that cannot be bound to any duration. Why? Because a student or a people, suppose there are 4 or 5 people in a batch. Those 4 or 5 people are like this 5 fingers. They are not same. They will take time. Now you cannot bound their time. Now what is the only solution of try to speak English is that nowadays use technology, use YouTube, open it, listen to us. There are many like me who are speaking in this same topic. Listen to us and try. Please, again I'll tell, you have to stand in front of the mirror, which is the only teacher of yours. I spoke yours, but I didn't speak yours. This is the difference. So, this much for today. I hope you liked my session, and please do a like, because that will again help me to build my confidence to speak in front of the camera. Camera, not camera. So, thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel if you really liked it. Please share it among your friends. I hope I am getting to you for this few minutes. I hope you are listening to me for this few minutes. Thanks for it. Thanks for all your support. Take care. Please stay at home.